Why does your scanner show the P0571 engine code? What does it mean? P0571 is a diagnostic trouble code. Brake switch, a circuit. This error code indicates a problem with the brake light switch or its circuit, which is also used by the cruise control system. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. What causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty brake switch. Wiring and connector problems. Engine control module ECM issues. Spilled liquid. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996. It is commonly found in vehicles like Dodge, Jeep, and Fiat. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.